I'm Mark Noble from More Distribution here in The Hague. We've built this new demo facility for immersive acoustics. Hopefully we'll be doing lots of promising projects to explore the great possibilities in these exciting new products. We're extremely happy to have Renkus-Heinz and the whole distributor team for Europe in-house today.
This is a great chance for everybody to interact with our international team, get to know each other and really understand what's coming next at Renkus-Heinz.
It has been one of the best experiences to work with our European partners for the last many years. So for us, they are our lifelines.
Today we are here doing a little marketing event, helping to connect with our distributors here in Europe a little bit better, connect with them and learn a little bit more about their businesses as well. I think that some of the best part for me is the way that Renkus-Heinz technology in partnership with Amadeus Acoustics really can lead to some dramatically better both audio results and acoustic results for whatever type of projects you might have.
I think the live performance was really good. That was really impressive.
Getting to actually mix with my colleagues from across Europe, it's been a fantastic experience.
The sound quality itself is the main selling point.
Very interesting, very promising.
Our plans is, of course, to continue to be a leader in loudspeaker technology. But we want to walk closer with our sales channels, walk closer with the distributors, work closer with them, and define what direction you should take going forward.